Hello, dear friends and dear colleagues. I'm so happy and proud to announce the second edition of the 10 days international full program in soft tissue management around teeth and implants. It's a course that is divided in 3 different modules. The first module is the soft tissue management around teeth. It's 4 full days in which I will cover the whole surgical procedure for the treatment of gingival resection around teeth and the soft tissue management for the treatment of periodontal bony defect in the aesthetic zone. The second module will be the soft tissue management around implants, and I will cover the whole surgical procedure for the treatment of aesthetic failures around the implant and what we can do at the time of the implant placement in order to avoid this aesthetic problem. And this will be treated both in the case of immediate implant placement and also in the case of delayed implant placement. In the third module, that is the more advanced, I will cover the topic of the soft tissue management around the implant in the more complex situation, where we have multiple sites with multiple implant placement, and the main goal is to regenerate the peri-implant papilla. In this module, we will also cover the topic of the soft tissue complication that can occur intrasurgically or after the healing in the treatment of the soft tissue management around teeth and implants. You can make your choice. You can decide to attend the full 10 days course or only one of the 3 modules, namely the first one of 4 days around teeth or the second one on 3 days for implants. And eventually, you can also decide to make the third module that is more advanced in a second phase. I think this is really a unique opportunity because it's the first time that I decide to make a long course for international dentists that will cover the whole topic of the soft tissue management around teeth and implants. So, waiting for you all in Bologna for my 10 days full international course.